The young people that we work with in the Project Zulu schools are existing in and very much graduating from school into a digital world. So we're doing our best to empower teachers, to empower principals and schools with the kit that they need so that they can do the best possible job of empowering the learners.
Our future plan is to have more technology classes that are more practical to the learners. We need to have more learners that are doing technology so that they can assist their families and assist the community.
One of the great pleasures for me as the director of Project Zulu is to see the fruits of the projects that we run every year. And over the years we've seen some wonderful examples of how schools that have received technology input and technology development have begun to run with that and build on it in their own ways.
This classroom carries the major task of bridging the gap. There is a gap between old education and new education. We're left behind. Within these four walls, our kids can strive and reach their untapped potential, truly.
Being in the tech department, have a unique opportunity to bring a whole kind of another grade of technology over to some of the schools that haven't necessarily had access to computers, laptops. It's nice to be able to bring those skills over, bring that technology over, and allowing like a much more developed school to kind of be built up.
We've looked in the computer suite and worked out what computers need like fixing or any updates that are needed, and making sure that they're all good and good condition.
Going to South Africa probably once, maybe in a lifetime opportunity to do this, to see this kind of environment, this culture, so definitely worthwhile.
My name's Dr. David Wyatt. I'm the tech lead for Project Zulu. We offer a number of different things as part of our training packages that we've developed before we come out to South Africa. The learners will be able to come in, improve their digital literacy, also the educators. We bought 4 small robots. We borrowed them from one of the departments at the university. Part of the reason for introducing this, exposing the educators to this, is it's now part of the curriculum for the country. And many schools don't have the facilities to do this.
For the past 2 years, we also have been very lucky to be assisted by Project Zulu concerning supporting the IT champions. And for us, it's an advantage because we are one step ahead. It was introduced by Project Zulu for us, and we were able to have computers and other schools to be supported with the tablets for learners.
I am Sabelo Ndlovu. I am a teacher at YWCA Special School here in KZN, Newcastle. Yeah, man, I'm an IT champion. My duties in my school would be to help the other staff members or the other teachers understand the use of technology and how they can incorporate them into their teaching and learning. I really think it is needed because we are moving towards a more technologically advanced world, and we as Africa, we need to keep up with it. You know, if we don't, then we'd literally be left behind.